What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And sorry for not uploading, guys, because I've been busy with homework and school. But finally, guys, it's Sunday. It's a great day to make a video because I got nothing else to do. So yay! So today, guys, I downloaded this add-on called the Fire Engine add-on, guys. So here it is. Yeah, here's the fire engine, guys. And this is not all. The fire engine comes with a key, guys. Yep, with a key. The only thing you would need is a horse spawn egg, snowballs, inventory key, and fishing rod, which I don't know what does this do, but yeah. I think it's for fishing, I don't know. But the inventory key, guys, get items. And then you guys get a helmet, right? You guys also get a legging. Not that much a helmet, but yeah. I think you get more stuff. No, only a helmet. So it's rare when you get those stuff, guys. But whatever, I don't need those because I know how to get those, guys. So here is the main menu of the creative items list, and you guys might be thinking, what is the fire equipment? Well, it is the chain armor, guys. So we get the fire hat and the fire chest plate, fire pants, and then the fire boots. Yeah. And then for the key, guys, the key is just a fishing rod. I mean, it's just a stick. So yeah, it's a stick. And for the inventory key, it's a blaze rod. It's a blaze rod, and it's a fishing rod, which we don't need. And as I said, guys, this is the fire engine spawn egg is the horse spawn egg. So yeah, guys, yeah. Wait. Whatever. Okay, guys. So what can this thing do? I got an extra helmet. Well, if you use the key and then long press the screen, it will lock the fire truck, so you can't get in. And if you long press again, it will unlock and you can drive. And as you would drive a horse, you just have to press the front key, and then the fire engine moves. So yeah, guys, that's awesome. And then as the inventory key does, it gives you free stuff. Yeah. Okay, so I'll show you guys how to yeah. The fire truck can also jump, but yeah, when there's a fire, you gotta give a call or something, but I don't know how. But then you use this awesome material to just put out the fire like that, guys, which I can't do because I suck at this. And what if the fire spread? Woo! It's spreading. You guys can also use that like these. So yeah, guys, that wraps up the add-on. Wait, guys. Wait. How about there is a fire, eh? On this lovely tree, which we need to get to with the fire engine itself. So, fire engine, let's go. We have to go to the fire. Wait. guys. Yeah, the fire engine can do that. Yeah, it can also do that, guys. After that, you guys could click shift and then put out that fire like a normal hero would do. Yeah. Or a helpful tip here. Wait, I can turn that down. That's a little loud. It's a little loud. Wait a minute. Where is the bucket of milk? Where you got the water bucket or something? It was in the equipment. Oh, whatever. Just get the water bucket and put out this fire, guys. It's almost gonna tear the thing down. Destroy. Wait. Guys. A helpful tip: always carry a bucket with you. Fly. Saving fire is my job today. Oh no! I'm catching on fire! Oh. Well, you can put out the fire. Back, guys. Okay, guys. So that wraps it up for today's episode. Today's video, guys. Hope you had a nice chilly day. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a chilly day because it is. Yeah, it's snowing outside. It's not quite snowing, but it's like snow outside in North America where I live. Okay, wait, guys. Gotta get to that front thingy. Okay, so hope you guys had a nice day. See you in the next video. And also, sorry for not uploading.